Hi, kids! It's that time of year again, kiddies, to answer that question. Who's ready for a little auction action? Coming up this Saturday, October the 3rd, it's number 11. Whether it's antique, whether it's vintage, whether it's punk junk, skin junk, or just plain old crapola junk, this coming Saturday, 2:30, satisfaction guaranteed. If you don't believe me, just listen to these testimonials from some satisfied customers.
Yeah, so at the Punx auction I got this slightly used biker leather that smells like an old, dead Hell's Angel. And look, fits perfectly.
I got these great Gap brand jeans. Perfect for my next rave. Thanks, Punx Auction.
Check it out! At the Punx auction, I got this used knockoff Walkman. Brand new, this thing would have only cost me 15 to 20 bucks. But thanks to the Punx auction, I got it for $42.95. And you know the best part is, the fucking thing doesn't even work! What a piece of shit!
Satisfaction guaranteed. We hope to see you there, punks and skins and punks, and the fun will just never end. This Saturday, October 3rd, 2:30 p.m., Pinata Peak. Si hablo Espanol, some assembly required. Batteries not included.
Thanks, Punx Auction.
Thanks, Punx Auction.
Thanks, Punx auction!